What's going on, house party? It's your boy Killer.
And it's your lady like.
And it's your boy Corday.
It's your girl Size.
And today, man, we finna it's that time again, man. It's Christmas time. You feel me? I know everybody looking for the perfect gifts. Y'all know we had Kobe. What about a year ago? What about a year ago? About a year ago. So hey, we finna take y'all on this trip with us again, man, to see these new puppies, man. Hey, don't miss out this time, huh? Hey, ride with us. It's your house party, man. Y'all see we done made it to the spot. You feel me? We back with the dogs again. Just hold on. Y'all gonna see the dogs, man. I know y'all hear them. Give me a second, man. You feel me? But anyway, I got my man right here, man.
He is looking nice though.
Let them know.
What's up, man? We got these pockets over here for y'all, man. These American pocket tricolor bullies, man. I'm doing Christmas deals too. Tap in. I'm telling y'all. ABKC papers. Don't miss it.
Don't miss it. You feel me? Y'all was asking about it the last time, but y'all was playing. Y'all know these things going like hotcakes. Look at it. Let me zoom in on it. Ooh. Oh, that one beefy right there.
Right here.
This one right here. Damn, I done mixed it. I think it was this one. Yeah, that one.
Good girl. Yeah, y'all can pick them up. Oh, okay, wait. This is boy right here. He the daddy twin. This a boy. See, he's stocky.
Yeah, he nice. He's nice. That's a girl?
This a boy.
Oh, the boy? He nice.
This a girl. Oh, they getting big. This a girl.
Look at her.
Christmas deals.
Christmas deals, man. What they say, this is the season?
This is the season.
You feel me?
This a boy right here.
They beefy too, bro.
This a boy. All of them ready to go.
Like you said, y'all said he got the papers and everything, so y'all ain't gotta ask what kind of, you feel me, here we gonna show the booklet and all that, you feel me?
This a girl right here. All colors.
Such a girl.
All colors,
She got
man.
blue eyes, huh?
All of them
gray
blue.
eyes?
Oh, she got some other shit.
You wanna hold her? Don't be getting no thoughts like last time. We got Kobe, man. We gotta wait till we get a crib.
We can give Kobe back.
Yeah.
This a boy, like his mama. He look just like the mama. Almost like a rock roller.
Yeah, for real though. That one gonna be clean. He gonna be clean.
Remember his mama was Kobe mama.
Yeah, that's Kobe. Yeah. Look at her.
Oh, that's Kobe.
These all Kobe's brothers and sisters. Just a different daddy. Same mama, different daddy.
Alright. Yo, how you doing?
My wife, Brittany.
Alright. Check them out, man. Look at them. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Oh, this one trying to bite right here. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Look at that. I like that one.
Oh, they all like you.
Which one you got? Oh. Get her in the picture by the light, man.
She has a great eye.
Wait, it was blurry. Oh, there it go.
Oh, look at her. Oh yeah, that's a good light. Could they back up, son?
Okay.
Good. You got paperwork on every puppy. See, they all official.
Feel me? So y'all ain't gotta be asking, is they official?
ABKC. They coming from the real thing.
You feel me?
You feel me? They, let me see. One of these got all the official papers in it. Oh, yeah, this one got its own.
Look, you feel me? That's how we coming, man.
Registered, ready to go.
You feel me?
Ready to
if
go.
your address and shit on there, I'm gonna blur it out.
Oh, it's all good. They gonna get it with it on there anyway.
Alright.
You feel me? They all ready to go. ABKC, each puppy, 13 puppies, 13 folders, man.
13 puppies, 13 folders. Ooh, they saucy, bro. What that one this one, bro. This one?
It's a girl. Oh, this the big mama.
She big, too.
I was gonna keep her, but I'm gonna keep the one with the black ears. The all white one with the black ears.
Oh, right there?
Yeah, I got a Merle to mate her with.
Okay.
Yeah, this a girl. She's the first one came out her mama, first baby.
Oh, she the first. Okay, she the first one out.
Yeah, and this white one, the second one. Woo! Kiwi, little kiwi right here.
That's little kiwi.
Little kiwi.
Little kiwi. Yeah, they gonna love these, bro. They love these dogs, bro. Y'all don't be playing, man. It's Christmas time.
On 5K for Christmas deal. I'm doing 3,000.
You heard him? Put it on him. Let him hear what he said.
5K a puppy, but for Christmas 3,000 with the papers. Can't miss it.
Can't beat that.
3,000 with the papers.
What's up, man?
And I'm gonna do it even better. No, I can't.
Put it on him while he talking.
Let me see. I was gonna say on the first 5 boys, you might can talk me down even more. Past the Christmas deal, so just let me know. Tap in, man. On the first 5 boys, I got a boy in every color.
I'm just making sure that you.
I got a boy in every color. That all white one, he for sure gonna need to go for at least 3,000 now.
That white one?
Yeah, that's the reverse try. He got all the marks they got, but inside.
What's up, boy?
He a reverse try. Them rare. You ain't gonna see those too many times.
So look, man, y'all hear what he's saying, man. Y'all passing up on these deals, man, and y'all gonna be hitting me later talking about where the dogs at. They ain't gonna be here too. Damn, that one big, boy.
Okay. So he bite everybody while he eating.
Oh, he clean though.
All white. Try. He a try. He spit nothing but tries. He spit nothing but try. His mama and daddy tricolor. Both of them.
He beefy though. Huh, babe, hold this. Let me hold this white one. Let me see how heavy he beefy.
He heavy. I'm struggling right now. Come boy. Come boy. So that's all I do is eat. That's all I do is eat.
He
Go
gonna
Dad.
be a beefy.
Babe, here go the one you like. Babe, look.
These ones for sure stay short. These ones for sure gonna stay short, stocky, all the shit. Mama and daddy right here in the back.
And y'all already said they stay short. They stay short, man.
Matter of fact, come on.
Yeah, let's show y'all the mama and the daddy.
Matter of fact, just right there, I'm gonna bring the daddy in.
Oh, you gonna bring them in?
Like, let him run in?
Let him run in here.
This the daddy right
Yeah,
here?
this the daddy, man.
He ain't gonna run off, is he?
Hey.
Yeah, no.
Come on.
He's run out on you.
Nah, he's just gonna run and try to lick everybody.
This the daddy right here, man. So
This the
y'all know.
daddy.
Oh,
See? He the twin of him.
yeah.
That's his twin. Matter of fact, let me see. That's his twin, man. Available.
What?
You feel me?
That's the one I said I like too with that color on him.
Come on, big boy.
Yeah, he a big boy. You feel me? Hey, y'all better.
This how tall they gonna be, man.
That's how tall they. Hey, y'all better not miss out on these, man. I'm telling y'all. What it is, December the 7th or 8th right now? Perfect Christmas gift, man.
See the daddy, man. That's how tall they gonna be. They ain't getting no taller.
So
And
y'all,
the mama the same size.
mama the same size?
Yeah.
Feel me?
That one? Come on. This one?
You get the mama?
Yeah, let me see the mama, cause you know they in there. That's what. Can we see? Yeah, for real.
They gonna have it all in one watch.
For real, y'all finna get it. Y'all finna get it all in one whop, so y'all ain't gotta ask no questions. Y'all know how we do, man. House party, man. Huh? Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, man. You barking at? Huh? What you barking? Huh? Huh? Man, you ain't gonna bite me, is you? Yeah. Y'all, I'm a little spooked. Yeah. What's up? What's up? What's up, girl? What's up, girl? Look at the mama. Look how short she is, though.
Come here.
Look how short she is, though.
Sit down. Good girl. This his twin.
The one out, yeah, like, oh.
Hey, sit down. Sit. Good girl. Sit. This his twin.
Oh.
He look like his mama.
Bruh, I said this last time, bro. When I get my crib, bro, I'm telling you, bro.
Yeah, her name Corey, man. This you see how short she is, man. 12 inches, 11 inches.
Yes, sir.
These puppies gonna be just like them. No taller. If not shorter. I just saw, matter of fact, the runt already gone. He was so like.
We'll scoot over a little bit and scoot the light over so they can see, because it's kind of dark a little bit. You can scoot turn the light this way a little bit. Yeah. That's the mama right there. Look, she's short though.
Stand up next to her, man. She's here.
You feel me? So I'm giving y'all getting everything in one whop, so y'all ain't gotta, you feel me, be asking no questions. What you see is what you get. You feel me? Got the paperwork, everything all official.
Come on.
What's up? What's up? She and I.
Girl, that's a family dog. Y'all for sure good with her.
For real.
She in the house with the kids.
Look, he think he just a ball.
This one right, he clean right here.
Her.
Look, yeah, them bites don't hurt. Hold on, I'm big dog.
Her name Corella.
Hold on, don't take my ring. Look, he trying to take my ring off. Look.
Named after the Domination, the lady from the Domination, Corella.
Oh, Corella? Okay.
That's what I call her.
Yeah, I'm gonna make this video a little long right here. This ain't gonna be a short one. Yeah, I'm getting.
Ain't none of them gonna be big as Kobe.
Yeah, so I'm giving y'all some footage, man. I'm gonna make this video long. I ain't gonna make it short for y'all. You feel me? Y'all gonna see the puppies on this one.
I like this one.
That's what they dogs. What else you expect? They can't talk.
I like this one. Look at him. He like no. I mean she.
Watch when we go back. Kobe gonna be on all of us when we get back, because he gonna smell these dogs on them.
No, the wife right here, she bald.
What's up?
Everyone you try to touch, you trying to jump on.
What's up? I'm telling y'all, man. Y'all don't miss out on these, man. Y'all tap in with the house party, man.
Did she bark? She ain't bark since she did.
Yeah, he said he gonna keep this one. This one.
Right here, the one that's barking.
Yeah, this the one. This the one that almost was sold, but I don't know what the hell happened. What? Huh? What? You want to get pet? All right, everybody get pets. All right.
It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. It helps us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love.
Man, like we said, make sure y'all tap in, hit that comment section. You feel me? I'm gonna tap in with my big dog. You feel me? And that's hey, that is what it is. But until next time. Oh, and then y'all heard him say y'all can talk him down to 2. That don't mean everybody, but hey.
No, I said a little under the Christmas deal.
Oh, a little. That's a little under. He really want $5K for the dog. He'll take 35, and you can talk him down to probably 2. Come on, man. Don't be a fool. But, hey, we're going to see y'all on the next one, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share this video. And, hey, we're going to see you on the next one.
Try to be one of the first to come, because once they get low, you know I'm going to need my dough. But if you one of the first, you can talk me down for sure.
2 hours later.
We just got home. Look how he acting. He know we was around some dogs. Yeah, them is your brothers and sisters, man. Huh?
No, now mom.
Y'all don't get at me about the cage, y'all. I got the little separation thing in here so he don't be pooping in there. Cause every time I take this out, he's pooping there. Y'all know how it is. When they ain't got enough room, he ain't gonna lay, he ain't gonna poop in there.
He mad.
What's up, man? What's up, big dog?
No.
Just like that, man. And hey, we gonna see you on the next one. Ah.
Y'all can't stop me. I come too far and I ain't stopping now. Y'all can't hold me down. I ain't leaving cause I'm here to stay now. Y'all can't stop me. I come too far and I ain't stopping.